This startup investing education segment is brought to you by 10 Capital, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. In venture investing, 1 out of 10 investments achieves a 10x return or better. 2 to 3 generate a positive return, usually 2 to 3x. 1 of the investments goes under and is out of business. 5 of the investments go sideways, where the company continues to exist but doesn't generate a return for the investor, but instead turns into a lifestyle business for the founder. In general, if the business provides a positive return, that's great. If the business goes under, then it provides a tax return. The business that goes sideways is the problem, as it provides neither a return nor a tax write-off. So how many funded startups make it all the way to an exit? Out of 1,000 seed fundings, only 400 go on to raise a Series A round. This means 60% are off the venture track after the first round of funding. In the end, only 16% of funded startups reach an exit. Once in a while, a great equity exit return comes along. Until then, you'll have to sort through many failures. Many companies are successful, just not 40x successful. The challenge is finding that 1 in 10. Instead, redefine the game and invest in the 9 out of 10 that are successful and structure the terms to get a return.